we're a specialty firm that works in measuring media. We're agnostic as to what that media is, and that often includes clickstream to customers' websites, ad server logs, email, provider logs, even direct mail, magazine, television, the whole gamut. We have an opportunity to look at how media performs, and I think of that as kind of the large levers. Where would we need to pull back, where would we need to increase? But right on the heels of that, we look deeper into each channel. So how do we perform by affiliate or by keyword? So we're looking at, or by campaign if it were direct mail pieces. And we get to see the ones that did well and the ones where we don't do well. And the measurement here is all around understanding the incremental revenue driven by that media. Right. And then of course putting that on top of the cost to buy it. So the close the loop part is putting those findings back into the programmatic systems where it was bought. So if I wanted to optimize my AdWords spend, should I do that on a last click basis or on an incremental basis? And having incremental information helps you increase the yield on those campaigns.
So, you know, one of the issues of measurement has always been latency in threading the needle, right? It's hard to close the loop when you've got to wait 90 to 180 days on your measurement to come back in. Where are we right now in latency, specifically relative to video?
So best practice is daily. Some customers are at weekly. And the word latency is a loaded word. There's the time for us to report back. We'd also, when we use the word latency in the industry, we look at how long does it take for the media to take effect. So if I spent $50,000 today, would I see all of that return in the next 1 day, the next 7 days, the next 30 days? What does that curve look like? So we have those two time scales. How long until we see results, which could be daily or weekly, and then when we see results, is it from something that happened yesterday or something that happened 30 or 60 days ago? I think we're closely aligned with a lot of performance marketers, and a lot of them are in multi-channel retail. As an industry, I like to say, like to squeeze pennies out of a marketing dollar. Yeah. And they're in a constant state of marketing. They never know, they don't have a contract with their customer. They never know if you'll come back or you won't. Right. And so they have to be in front of the consumer in order to get that next transaction. And so I find them to be kind of early adopters and trailblazers in the space.
So John, tell me why you're at the iView event tonight.
Well, it was by invitation and I'm honored to be here. I like that digital video is reaching out to firms like ours and saying, hey, we're over here and we'd like to be measured. It's a form of media that's just ripe for measurement, and when you're able to demonstrate the incremental value of that media, the outcome's pretty clear. It's going to be, the floodgates will open, and I think that more media dollars will be shifting into the field.